back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and thank you for always supporting me. So you guys, today's video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to show you guys how to have spring twist. There are two methods. There is the individual method, individual crochet method, and there's a crochet method, and you can actually braid from your actual hair as braids. So for me, I felt like braiding it directly from my hair is very difficult for me, so I opted for individually crocheting the spring twist on my hair and doing the crochet method in the middle and at the back. So yeah, it's something easy that you can do in the house, but it's a lot of work. So at first I actually wanted to do the passion twist, but you guys, you cannot imagine that passion twist someone used the Ceres braids or any bohemian hair, and for the bohemian curls there isn't crochet braids around here that I know that has bohemian curls other than the Ceres braids. But the Ceres braids, it's like 500 shillings and it is very few inside. So the many YouTubers I saw doing the passion twist were using like 7 packs of the Ceres braids. Guys, who's going to spend like almost spent at 500 to 4,000 shillings only to buy the hair, and you've not actually paid to go have your hair done? So I'd advise you, if you can get the hair and do it yourself, it'd be easier for you and less expensive. This spring twist is also expensive, especially if you're doing long spring twist, but passion twist is extra hella expensive. So you guys, I opted for spring twist because manze, me can't afford 4K on just hair. I know I'm not going to stay with it for more than 2 weeks. So yeah, so if you're someone who stays with hair for long, this style is for you. You can spend all that money to get that hair. But if you're someone who gets bored easily with hairstyles, don't even try. You'll be wasting a whole bunch of money. And if you're someone who has money, then just spend money. Just spend your money, yeah, and look amazing. So for this look I used two and let's say a quarter to half packs of the Ceres braid from Sistar, but you can actually use the Guess Girl from Angels, but I felt like they're neatish. Ceres has this ending that I like, that it's kind of curly and messy and easy style to do, but it's very expensive compared to many reviews that I've gotten from people. It's very expensive. Most people do short spring twist because it's expensive and you can't afford to buy many packs. But if you're not afraid of spending money, this hairstyle is for you. If you always want to look good no matter the expense, this is a style for you. So as for me, you can see at the front I had at the front I did individual crochet method, and at the back I did crochet method. After me talking this much, the other part is actually showing you how to crochet, how to do the individual crochet method. Yeah, because I can't braid, I just did something simple for me. So yeah, you guys give me a thumbs up, thumbs up if you want me to do more braid tutorials, if you want me to braid my hair, if you want me to do more of these tutorials. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. Yeah, give me a thumbs up, like my video, share with your friends and family, and when you think it's going to help, share. Yeah, so guys, until our next video, love you guys. So preparing this spring twist isn't a lot of work, so if you're very keen and careful, you're going to get it. What you're going to avoid while doing the spring twist is actually twisting the hair and putting too much tension while twisting. So just take it to the right side. In other sense, do it clockwise. Just layer the hair going clockwise. Avoid twisting. I don't want to say twist the hair clockwise because you'll actually twist it. So avoid too much tension and pulling it so much, because you want it to be loose and have the spring type of twist, so it can look like a spring, just how you pull a spring and it goes back. That is what you want. Avoid twisting to the left, because it's actually not going to work. I tried twisting to the left and it was just pathetic. It looked very, very bad, and this is the result, guys. So we're going to install this onto my head, and I had cornrows at the back, and at the front I had a leave out, which I used the rubber band method to install at the front, and at the back I did the normal crochet method that people normally do. And then at the back I left the cornrows. I didn't tie up my cornrows so that I could also do the individual crochet method, so that it can look natural when I want to tie it upwards. So yeah, simple as that, guys. So while doing in the individual crochet method, you use any edge control that you have, but I use Eco Styler so that it can blend well with the spring twist. So what you do is you slip your crochet needle under the rubber band, then pull your spring twist through. Then when you have a loop, you just put everything through the loop, your actual hair and the spring twist through the loop, then just pull the spring twist. Then the last procedure is slip your crochet needle through the spring twist, then put your hair in the crochet hook, then pull it inside the spring twist. This is actually going to look more natural for you, so you can actually do this on your whole head if you have time, because I think this method is costly and needs patience. So if you're patient and can spend on that, then that is okay. Then the other method is almost similar. So if you also have time and patience, you can actually pull the braid before twisting underneath the rubber band, then pull your natural hair under the braid through the loop, then separate your natural hair or your actual hair into two, then start twisting to the right side. Guys, don't put too much tension while you're twisting to the right side or clockwise, because it's actually going to backfire. So be very, very careful with this. So this method, if you're doing it on yourself, it's going to be very difficult for you. This is a method I'd prefer you do if you're doing it on someone, or if you're doing it on someone or someone is doing it on you. It's going to be simpler that way. And that is just basically everything about this hair. So tag me if you've tried it out, comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up. Till the next video, guys. Bye bye.